Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Web Pet Care YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss the feeding schedule in case of dogs. No doubt, every owner loves their pet very much. With this love, he offers the feed whenever he eats or whatever he eats. Unknowingly, this inappropriate feeding may cause some health issue with your dogs. Your dog may become lazy, weight gain may occur, and some health problems may also occur. So, in this video, I will discuss the feeding schedule, what are the advantages of proper feeding schedule, and what are the disadvantages of inappropriate feeding schedule. The feeding schedule in case of dogs varies with their age. In case of pup less than 3 months old, feed should be provided 4 to 6 times in a day. 6 times in case of small size breed dogs or toy breed dogs. 4 to 5 times in case of large or medium size breed dogs. In case of 3 to 6 months old, feed should be provided 3 times a day. And after the 6 months, feed should be provided 2 times in a day, in morning and evening. Not every day, but occasionally treats can be provided in between. Use low calorie treats during training. So during feeding, leave the bowl of food in front of your dog for 10 minutes. After that, pick it up. If your dog is slow eater, in that case, time can be increased to 20 minutes, but make sure he is still eating. Do the same in next schedule, again for 10 minutes or 20 minutes in case of slow eaters. On starting, your dog may feel some difficulty and may ask some extra treats during that day. He may make some needy expressions, but be strict and do not provide off-schedule feeding. As day passes, he will learn that his feeding timing is fixed and he will become habitual to that. There are some advantages of this feeding schedule. He will learn that he needs to eat when offered. It will help to monitor his health, as if he hasn't eaten means there is a health issue, which indicates he is not feeling well and it's time to consult a vet doctor. Also, dogs who eats on schedule, poops on schedule. Inappropriate feeding can change the poops timing, also which is annoying to pet owners. With this feeding schedule, you can calculate the feed requirement and calories intake of your dog. With proper feeding schedule, there are less chances of your dog to become fatty and he will remain active throughout the day. With this feeding schedule, he has a hope that you will feed him on that timing, which increases the bond between you and your pet. There are some disadvantages of inappropriate feeding schedule. Throughout day, food in bowl may attract cockroaches, mice, and other small insects in house. Inappropriate feeding may lead to obesity and weight gain, which may cause a joint problem in later life. High fat deposits in body leads to fatty liver, high cholesterol level, and heart problems mostly after 5 years of age. This will also cause the exercise intolerance, means dog will not tolerate mild exercise or short running. In case of inappropriate feeding, you cannot manage the food intake or calorie intake by your dog, and you cannot calculate the food requirement of your dog. Always clean your dog's food bowl after every meal and water every day. Otherwise, dog may refuse to eat due to smell of previous feed material. So, to prevent these complications, proper feeding schedule should be followed. With time, he will learn this timing, which is very comfortable and beneficial to you and your pet. So guys, if you love this video, do like and share with your friends. Thank you.